Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you some skincare habits that I wish someone had told me when I was in my 20s. These tips and tricks will help you achieve a healthier and more youthful looking skin. So let us get started. If you are in your 20s, consider yourself lucky because with these tips you will be able to achieve a more healthy skin. The first habit on my list is wearing sunscreen every day. It's common knowledge now, but back in my 20s, I used to neglect this crucial step. Sunscreen not only protects your skin from harmful UV rays, but it also prevents premature aging and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Secondly, hydrating your skin is key. I wish I had understood the importance of keeping my skin moisturized. Regardless of your skin type, a good moisturizer can help maintain a healthy skin barrier, improve elasticity, and also combat the signs of aging. Another habit I wish I had adopted earlier is exfoliating regularly. Dead skin cells can accumulate over time, leading to a dull complexion. By exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week, you can remove this buildup, revealing a brighter and a more radiant complexion underneath. So please don't underestimate the importance of exfoliating your skin. The next on my list is a habit that might surprise you: double cleansing. It's not just for makeup removal, but for deep cleansing. Using an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser can effectively remove dirt, excess oil, and impurities from your skin, leaving your skin refreshed and clean. The next is incorporating antioxidants into your skincare routine. Incorporating antioxidants into your skincare routine is a smart move. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and E can help to protect your skin from free radicals, which are known to cause damage and premature aging. Now let's talk about lifestyle habits that might be damaging your skin. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Smoking deprives your skin of oxygen and damages collagen, resulting in premature wrinkles and also a dull complexion. Finally, don't forget the power of good sleep. In my 20s, I underestimated the impact lack of sleep can have on my skin. Getting enough restful sleep allows your skin to regenerate and repairs itself. It provides you with a fresh and glowing complexion. Remember the beauty sleep. Beauty sleep is when you relax and sleep and you actually notice that your complexion and your skin is actually looking more healthy after having a restful sleep. And there you have it, the skincare habit I wish I knew in my 20s. By following these tips, you will not only improve the condition of your skin, but also set yourself up for healthier skin in the long run. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more skincare advice like this from me. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other skincare habit you wish you knew in your 20s. Until next time, take very good care of yourself and see you in my next video. Bye.